What's going on? Today's quick episode, I'll be sharing with you guys a neck routine that could be applied for beginners. Now, keep in mind that I actually do recommend that if you're trying to get the biggest neck possible, you don't have to wait till you're an advanced or an intermediate lifter to start training your neck. If you're a beginner, you could actually start training your neck right now. You could throw it in at the end of your session once or twice a week. I'd recommend twice a week, and it's only going to take you around 10 minutes. So 20-minute investment out of your week is not really a big deal in the grand scheme of things, okay? So the first thing that I'm recommending is the neck curl, neck extension superset. So you go back to back with these two movements. You're training antagonists and muscle groups, and these are very basic exercises overall. So for the neck curl, you put your feet on the bench. We're trying to take all the momentum out of it, and you're just going to get to neck curling. So you see the motion is very straightforward. It's not the biggest range of motion of all time, but you're getting a stretch in the neck, and then you're squeezing at the top. You're going to take a plate that you're comfortable with using, and you're just going to put a shirt so it doesn't affect your face too much. Now you're going to superset that with the neck extension, which is going to train the back of your neck this time. So you can't go super heavy on these two lifts, but you're doing high reps too, so you're getting more out of less weight. And since you're a beginner, you're just getting the form down. You don't have to use super low reps if you're a beginner, at least in my opinion. Just train for the pump, and you're going to be fine with that. So this doesn't have to be too complicated. If you're a beginner, just use this superset twice a week. It's going to take you around 20 minutes. And just let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below.